Hello, what is up, guys? It's your boy Harriet, and it's Friday. And you know what that means. It's now time for our bold review dito sa Fridays with BMX only on Harriet. And today, what's the matter, Sid? Do you have any scissors? Yeah, do you have any scissors? That's right, we are reviewing Scissors. This is the latest movie offering from BMX. It is starring Alison Ross and Rian Rivera, which I am very high of. I think, what was her last movie? Sausa Sausawan yun, di ba? Oo, Sausawan yung, yung retarded yung kasama niya tapos she disappeared. So that was disappointing. But this one, I think nakabawi siya dito. And I truly feel that yung peak Rian Rivera talaga para sa akin is yung naka-choker. Pero siguro, sige, move on na tayo. Hindi na siya mag-choker. Pero damn, like, I was so expecting that Rian ay magsusot ng choker to all her movies because that, she had that aura when she had that choker. Okay, so, this regarding my rant from Pasacalye uh last time is I think it's still haunting hanggang ngayon. Okay? Yung rant ko kasi dati sa Pasacalye, so if you want my review, uh go to this timestamp over here. Okay? Sige. And let's reiterate it. Okay, I'm not a fan of the direction BMX is going since 2024. You know, nawala masyado ang kanilang personality. Dati kasi we had movies like Kinsenas Katapusan, we got movies like Pulutan na hindi lang nakasentro sa pagkakangkangan, okay? Sa pagtatalik yung or sa pag-ibig yung BMX. There are elements of crime, elements of danger, quality comedy. Yung sinabi kong quality comedy, hindi tulad nung Wow Mani at nung isa, yung ang laki ng testigo. Yun. So, that's uh that's what I'm going to rant. And unfortunately, Caesars did fell to that did was victimized to this direction of BMX movies. It could have been more para sa akin kung tutuusin. It could have been it could have been something special. Okay, so let's go with it. Okay, it's a girls love movie starring Rian Rivera and Alison Ross. By the way, if you haven't done this, if you like this video, pakilike na lang po. Press that subscribe button, hit that bell icon for more of your Fridays with BMX only on Harriet. Ayun. And furthermore, speaking regarding sa elements dito. It's girls love, it's drama. Okay. So we got Gian Espinosa. He is the main guy dito. He is having a fun time sa simula sa isang babae. I didn't bother to check her name pero I think she will appear in the credits. Siguro, okay. And then nahuli sila ni Rian Rivera na nakikipagtalik. So he got caught cheating. Kasi si Gian Espinosa, si Jeric, sa si Karina, si Rian Rivera, that's her role. Her Karina, like Karina Bautista. Ayun, they decided to break up. And then Karina, heartbroken, nakipagtulungan siya kay Jana, yung kanyang bading na best friend. And, ayun, ang parang solusyon na binigay is magpagupit siya just to have a glow up. And then she met Missy, yung hairdresser. And then they started to have romantic feelings with each other. So, Missy and Karina, nagsimula ito from Missy comforting Karina, nag-inuman, tapos nagtalik sila. And then they went to the bar, nagtalik sila. Like, it's establishing that their romance is ayun, nag-blooming, and they enjoyed being on the comfort as girlfriend kaysa madaya ulit ni Gion. Okay. So Gion, na-realize niya yung kapubo niya sa simula ng pelikula, may asawa pala, nabugbog siya, decides to use Karina once again, bumalik siya, and Karina, being the idiot that she is, siguro ginagamit yung utak, hindi ginagamit yung puso, hindi yung utak, at lalo na ginagamit yung bird. Although pussy ata pag babae, ginamit yung pussy, she let Gion in again. And then Gion did the most unthinkable thing na first time in a long time na nakita ko sa BMX. He oiled up Rian Rivera. Okay, so Rian Rivera, technically, siya yung, ano, siya yung naglalagay ng lotion sa sarili niya. Okay? So, when I said siya yung naglalagay ng lotion sa sarili niya, it's like baby oil. And then Jeric, yung karakter ni Gion, si Jeric, pumasok, and then he applied Karina with the baby oil. And then they oiled up, and then they stimulated to have sex. They had sex. And this sex was hot. It was awesome. Parang yung nakita ko na na enlightened ako sa nangyari eh. Okay? Like, this is something awesome that I've never seen before in a long time in BMX. Like, it gets me titillated. It gets me elated. Okay? Walk through elation. Okay? Dito sa Scissors. Well, by the way, it's called Scissors because yun nga, hairdresser si Alison Ross. Nalaman ni Missy, played by Alison Ross, na nagkabalikan itong si Karina sa si Jeric, and then she had the most complicated plan that I can think of. Imbes na agawin niya rekta direct niya kumprontahin si Jeric for Rian, she decides to seduce Jeric, okay? Para makita ni Rian na madugas itong si Jeric. Pero nangyari, na-fall itong na-backfire yung plano, na-fall si Missy kay Jeric. And they had also good segs. Okay? Like, yeah, I wank out. I ejected out of Rian, but if I had a few more left in me, I would have done it with Alison Ross. Yeah. So that's how the sex movies, the mature scenes, really carried this movie through and through. Okay? Solid, ika nga. Yung mga eksena dito na rated R. Okay? The rated R scenes. Rated R for Rian. Okay, yeah. So, nalaman ni Rian na nakipagdugasan si Missy sa si Jeric dahil ginamit ni Rian yung cellphone ni Jeric. Oh, and by the way, this is brilliant. Kasi mostly nakikita ko sa mga BMX films, kukuha lang sila ng cellphone then i-unlock. Walang bypass nababypass yung security. Rian did the most logical thing and used an unconscious, already sleeping Jeric, lifts up his hand, applies his finger on the screen of his own phone para ma-bypass or hindi rather to unlock his phone kasi fingerprint sensor, di ba? So this is first time na nakita ko you did not suspend your disbelief, you did the most logical thing. Okay? So kudos sa nakaisip dito. Well done. Well done. Okay. Yun, nalaman niya, nakita niya yung mga DMs ni Mrs. ni Jeric. And then nagalit si Rian or si Karina. And then Karina, Missy, and Jeric had a threesome. Then they all left. Missy broke up with Karina. Karina exiled Jeric out of the house, and Karina just smokes her way to loneliness. Very sad ending for an otherwise very intense sexual movie. So, what do I think about Scissors? Okay. Yeah, I'll let you know what I think about Scissors. What did you think right now? Okay, Scissors. Based on the tier list, I am going to give it just because they oiled up. I'm gonna give it the Gunnar Big territory. Very nice. very sexual. Okay, so that's my review of Scissors. Next Friday, you'll see me reviewing Hayok. That's Nico Loco and sino kasama niya? Apple Celso. Yeah, we're going to get another Apple Celso movie. Yan. Pero yeah, this is Harriet. Thank you for watching. Peace out.